Hello. Well, we will continue with our surface areas and volumes, and in the previous session we have discussed the formulae related to the curved surface area of a cylinder, and let us move forward and try to do a problem. I read the question for you. A cylindrical pillar has a diameter of 56 centimeters. Right, see what is given to you. Diameter. Diameter 56 centimeters implies radius is equal to 56 by 2, which is 28 centimeters. So radius is 28 centimeters. Alright. And is of 35 meters height. Height is mentioned as 35 meters. H is equal to 35. Alright. There are 16 pillars around a building. Find the cost of painting the curved surface area of all the pillars at the rate of 5.50 per square meter. For 1 square meter, the charge is 5.5, means 5 rupees 50 paisa. So what I need to do? I need to calculate the total area of painting. Now what is total area of painting? Total area of painting is equal to curved surface area of cylinder, because they are cylindrical pillar, cylinder, into how many such cylindrical pillars are there? 16. So that 16 into the curved surface area of one cylinder will give you the total surface area of painting. Now what is the curved surface area formula? 2 pi r h into 16. 2 into pi is 22 by 7 into r. What is radius? Radius is 28 centimeters, whereas height is 35 meters. So you have to convert centimeters into meter. 28 centimeters is equal to 28 by 100 meters, because we all know 100 centimeters is equal to 1 meter. So 28 centimeters is equal to 28 by 100 meter. So instead of r, now I will write 28 by 100 into h. What is h given to you? H is 35. Alright, so h is 35 into 16. Now let us calculate. 7 1s are 7 4s are. So when I multiply, 22 into 2 will be 44, and then 35 4s are 140 into 16 divided by 100. Alright, any further cancellation? I can cancel zeros. 10 I will keep like that only. Now I will write 44 into 16 4s are 64, 4, 6 carry, 16 1s are 16, 16 plus 6, 22. So it is 224 divided by 10. Let us keep it. Now so many meter square is the total surface area. Now what is the rate at which you are painting? 5.50. For 1 square meter it is 5 rupees 50 paisa. For so many square meters it is how much? So therefore total cost of painting is equal to total area into rate. Right? Now what is the rate? 5.5. So the total area I will calculate. So the total cost of painting is 44 into 224 divided by 10 into, what is the cost of painting? 5.5. So into, I will write 5.5. So further I can write 44 into 224 into 55 by 10 into 10 will be 100. So all you need to do is to multiply this and then divide by 100. Whatever answer you get is the total area, total cost of painting in rupees. Now let us take some time and let us try to multiply this stuff. Now first I will multiply initially in the rough work. I will do the rough work here because of place constraint. It is 224. I will multiply into 4. So it is 4 4s are 16. 1 carry, 4 2s are 8 plus 1, 9, 4 2s are 8. Same thing repeated, 6, 9, 8. And therefore you get 6, 9 plus 6, 15, 5, 1, 9 plus 1, 10, plus 8, 18, 8, 1 carry, 9. It is 9856. Into again I have to multiply with what? Into I have to multiply with 55. So let me multiply. 5 6 are 30, 0, 3 carry. 5 5 are 25 plus 3, 28, 8, 2 carry. 5 8 are 40 plus 2, 42, 2, 4 carry. 5 9 are 45, 45 plus 4, 49. Cross multiply. Again you'll have 0, 8, 2, 9, 4. So final answer is 0, 8, 8 plus 2, 10, and this will be 12, 1 carry, this will be 14, and this will be 5. So it is 542080. It is 542080 divided by 100. So final answer will be, the 0 is cancelled, final answer will be 5020.8 rupees is the total cost of painting the 16 pillars. So I am sure you have followed. Now I want you to pause the video and then copy the stuff. Meanwhile we'll go for the next question. Okay children, we have the next question in front of you. The diameter of the roller is 84 centimeters and its length is 120 centimeters. It takes 500 complete revolutions to roll once over the playground to the level. Find the area of the playground. See, there is a playground here. On this playground, this is a roller. This is a roller. Now if you roll this roller on the playground, it takes how many? 500 revolutions. It takes how many? 500 revolutions to roll completely. What is you mean by one revolution? One revolution is nothing but one curved surface area. So like that 500 such curved surface area will count to the total area of the playground. So what I will say, I will write, we know that 500 into curved surface area of cylinder is equal to the area of playground, is equal to area of the playground. All right. So 500 into curved surface area of cylinder. Now what is the curved surface area of cylinder formula? It is a 2 pi r h, right, is equal to area. So let me put this way, area of playground. All right, now let us calculate. So it is 500 into 2 into pi is 22 upon 7 into r. What is r? Diameter of the roller is 84 centimeters. So what is diameter is equal to 84 centimeters implies radius is equal to 84 divided by 2. What is 84 divided by 2? 47 centimeters, and that is equal to 47 by 100 meters. So I have written the radius in terms of meters. So radius is 47 divided by 100 meters into height. What is height given to you? Height is given as 120 centimeters. So it is 120, right, it is how much? 2 4s and 2 2s, it is 42, is it not? 42. All right, so this is 42 instead of 47, that is 42, right? So it is length is how much, height is how much? 120 centimeters. That means 120 divided by 100. Height is equal to 120 centimeters implies 120 by 100 meters. All right, so this is the area of the playground. Now we need to calculate. Any cancellations are possible here. 7 1s are, 7 6s are 42. Further any cancellations, I can remove these 2 zeros. Further any other cancellation, I can remove this 0 and this 0. Further any cancellations, 5 2s are 10. Any further cancellation, no cancellations in denominator, only you have to multiply. So it is 22 into 6 into 12, and let me multiply. It is 22 into 12, 6 are 72. So 22 into 72, let me multiply. 72 into 22, 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14. So it is a 4, 4, 1, 4, 8, 5, 1, 5, 8, 4, 1, 5, 8, 4 what? 1, 5, 8, 4 meters. So the area of the playground is 1584 square meters. All right. So very simple. Put these things in this particular pattern, you will be able to understand, and more importantly, you must first read the question thoroughly. All right. So I want you to pause the video for a while and then copy the questions. Thank you. Take care and bye bye.